Hey everybody, so it's Dustin, Derby Specialist. So today I'm looking at a 2021 Heartland Sundance Ultralight. And it came in for a wool bearing pack, and it's during the lunchtime, so all the guys are out not working. But as they were getting ready to lower and raise it to put it on the jacks, which shifts the weight, the guys heard a bang, real bad, loud pop. And so coming over here, I'll show you what happened. Back here on the back, what I want to see is, you can see where Byron marked it. It actually broke the frame. So you can see how rusted that frame was. And it had a crack in it. And so these particular hangers don't happen to have the, they have sumo springs on there, but that don't hurt nothing. But this particular frame, you can see all the rust that was in the center of the I-beam. So the I-beam itself was cracked. And when they picked it up and, just picked it up to teeter-totter it, because it was all rusted up, it broke loose. You can see all the rust there. So that's one of the things that we're doing when we're checking for all these other units that have been coming in for the different frame repairs and stuff. We keep seeing cracks in the I-beam, so this is exactly that reason why. Also too, you can see the movement that he had. So his bushings, you can see how much play that has in it. The bushings were shot, and that probably contributed to it. Because they shouldn't have that much room, that much bounced out. It could have been because of the frame as well, but the leaf springs do look good. They kind of got their happy face on them, their little frowns. But I'm going to check the other hangers real quick too, just to make sure that I don't see anything else that's cracked on them. And that can also be on the opposite side. I don't know. That one doesn't look welded the greatest, but it's welded. This one looks okay, but you never can tell. Let me go peek on the other side. And again, this is it's a ID 241BH for that Heartland. So again, you never know, when it's time. Luckily, it broke here instead of it breaking when he was in transit. Can't tell. I think that's a crack. Yeah, that's a crack right there developing too. Yeah. It's developing in there. That's where they wiped it to check. And here as well. And then let's take a peek at this front one. Can't tell from where I'm at, but once the guys get it back underneath there, they'll check it out more. But obviously that one had been cracked for some time. So anyways, well, stay tuned for more and make sure you're checking out your leaf springs. This is one that, whether they approve it or not, I would put the V-braces. It's the V-brace that goes in between the hanger to reinforce them, to protect them. So, all right, well, thanks so much for watching. This is Dustin, your Derby Specialist.